Good morning, viewers. Assalamu alaikum. This is we are Noakhali Superintendent Nabiruddin Shah, Mr. Nabiruddin, and Dr. Hassan Abdullah. We are coming here for searching AFP, acquired plastic paralysis patient. Noakhali Sodar Hospital, Noakhali. So let's go. I will show you how your activities behalf of WHO searching the patient AFP measles.